Looks like somebody came out of school and got banged up a little bit. Yeah. Kids come out of the school and they do race to get out. And sometimes they don't make it. There you go. I heard a bang probably about 15 minutes ago. Didn't know what it was. Didn't really look. But now, right out in front of my door here, we got Granger's finest. State Patrol's out. Young kids gotta learn someday. You just can't hit the gas and go, because sometimes you ain't gonna make it. Sounds like the squad's coming now. Look at that front end. Boy, they really... Whew! It's only 20 mile an hour down here, school zone, and boy, that car there got a little wrecked up, didn't it? Dang! Look at that. The other cars over there almost hit the library sign. Now people standing over there. State Patrol. Oh, here comes the squad. There's a big engine right there. There's a squad. New squad of the fleet. Sorry about the shakiness and that. Get old, you kind of shake a little bit. Well, I seen a tow truck come in. He must be over there at the... Yeah, see rear wheels behind the engine there. Right there. Got a flatbed came in. Bet you that'll be for that car right there. State Patrol guys swapping ideas. One thing I was watching these guys, these fire guys, you know, there are signs in their engines that has stop and slow. Stop on one side, slow on the other, and they don't have any of that. They're using hands to direct traffic, and that's not really advisable. But that's what these guys are doing. Fire department spent a lot of money for a lot of stuff. I would think that they would use equipment that they have at hand. State Patrol moved the car over there because of probably traffic. So, yeah, sometimes they don't follow their own rules. But tow truck is there. And still got traffic coming and going down through here. Not too bad, but still, I would grab that sign and use that sign because that's what it's used for. Not to use hand signals, because sometimes a driver, especially on a sunny day like today, might not see it too well, and you might have another bang bang. Yeah, using hand signals. Tow truck driver guy checking things out. He taking that vehicle there. Getting a flatbed ready to go. Squad's backing up. Haven't heard anything or taken anybody to the hospital or not. I guess he's gonna be, I guess they're blocking. Well, I guess we can't watch them load up the darn car. Sapsuckers. Oh well, have to wait for the squad to leave, or they're staying right there. Hard to tell. You gonna go in the back, chit chat a little bit. Okie dokie. Now I got a second tow truck on scene. First one's getting, well, squad's leaving. Alright, we might get to see the first car get towed up. Yeah, shit. It's partially up already. All they do is put a winch in that sucker and haul it up. Don't matter. I'll have this cleaned up in no time. Sometimes it takes a while for tow people to show up. You know, they're busy every day. State Patrol guy's got his door open, checking things out. So that one there is going to pick up the one in the ditch over there. So you see normally what they do, they would take the debris and everything and throw it right in the front seat. Why not? It's probably totaled anyhow. Look at all that debris in the road there. Now, if they would have slowed down and I get banged, you wouldn't have to worry about that, huh? But unfortunately, it's Friday. TGIF. Hey, it's Friday. I gotta go. Bang. Guess what? You're gonna be sitting there for a while. Car loaded up almost. Possibility total of that kind of front end damage. Like, dang. I was hoping he'd go past the house here, but he might. Nice Granger guy. Scraping all that up for the tow truck driver. Car 1 loaded. There it goes. I'll take the debris and throw it either in the vehicle or in a bag or something. Tying down that front wheel. Or if they ever lose any debris of the vehicles on the way down the street. I mean, good old sized bang bang like that, and all kinds of little stuff still, the wind blowing and everything. Nice little pile there. Hey, firefighter, doing a good job. Yeah. I brought my tripod up here. Oh, kind of hold it next to the window here so we can see what's going on. That's why when you see that's a little blur of the window right there. Hey, we got a snow plow in the truck. What are you waiting for, snow? Yeah, it's gonna snow tomorrow. And keep changing from 1 to 3 to 1 inch. Now we're bringing out a bag of oil dry, I think. Probably a little Earl on the road. Yeah, better shot of the second tow truck. Looked like it might be driving that car up there. Might not be that bad of damage. Dougie downstairs, missing me like crazy. You ever try to take a phone and put it next to a window and you just use it as a hinge? That's what I'm trying to do here. Waiting to see what they do with that debris. Put some Earl dry down. Don't look like they're going to put it in a plastic bag. Yeah, I wish I brought a tripod up here. Stabilize, stabilize. Well, it's heavy duty bags. Got that one loaded already. That must be drivable. That's good. That one there might be repairable. Drivable and everything. It don't look like too much damage on that one. Don't look too much damage. Come on, phone. You can zoom on that and see. Yeah, ain't gonna be able. He's alright. Sorry about the up and down on the phone here. It's just doing what we do, try to do best we can. So far as I know, no one got hurt. Squad's gone. So I'm assuming they went to the hospital, probably for checkups and that, I would imagine. So airbag deployment, I would definitely go to the hospital because that bangs you in the chest and everything. Well, so it was a 3-card bang bang because, that one card must be. One card's still in the ditch yet. Must be a 3-card bang bang. Dang. Got one on the tow truck. Got the second one on. Yeah. Surprise. 3-card bang bang. 3-card. Bing, 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 boom. There'll be a third tow truck coming for that one. Unless that one's drivable. Or it might be someone else that knows somebody. I don't know. That's close to the sign there for the library. Could be somebody that knows somebody because the other car is pretty darn close to there. Got a big semi coming out. Oh no! It's a FedEx! Is there any damage to that? I don't think there's any damage to that there. Might not be a 3-car MVA. Nope. Probably someone that knows somebody. Okie dokie. Think they're getting it wrapped up.